modern education, then in a distinction, your race, your nation, your religion create more complication. Now time come, we have to insist all 7 billion human beings, we are same. We born same way with mother. We die same way, their last breathing. So, and then most important, we human being, when we born, mothers take care, affection or compassion. At the time of dying, also you surrounded with people who really show you genuine sort of warm feeling, the dying person much happier. They, or say, too much sort of, or say, a ceremony thing, it's not much effect. Important is surrounding people who really show you genuine love. I told the former Indian Prime Minister
Manmohan Singh. No.
Manmohan Singh. I told him, when, of course, I will live another 15, 20 years, there's no question. But at the time when I dying, I prefer in India. You see, surrounded with people who really show you love. Not artificial something. If I dying, surrounded with these Chinese officials, too much artificial. So I much prefer dying this country, free, democracy, open. So when we born, no ceremony. At the time of death, no need ceremony. Surrounded by trusted friend who really show you genuine feeling.